Welcome to ArtStir, a place where colors breathe, blend, and come alive on the canvas. Here, every movement of the palette knife tells a story of patience, emotion, and the quiet rhythm of creation. In this channel, we explore the world of palette knife painting, where layers of color are sculpted into form. Unlike brushes that glide, the knife scrapes, spreads, and builds, giving life to a unique texture that you can almost touch. Each stroke is bold yet delicate, rough yet intentional, a balance between chaos and harmony. When you paint with a palette knife, you are not just painting, you are sculpting light and shadow. The knife becomes an extension of your hand, a bridge between imagination and reality. You feel the resistance of the canvas, the smoothness of the color, and the freedom of letting go. Mistakes become beauty, accidents turn into discovery. This is what ArtStir is about, the moment when colors start to speak. In our videos, you'll see how textures are built from simple strokes, how red meets blue to become purple, how light yellow glows softly against the darkness, how every layer adds depth, emotion, and soul. We paint landscapes, flowers, abstracts, and impressions, not to copy what we see, but to feel what we imagine. Sometimes it's a quiet sunrise reflected in thick paint. Sometimes it's a storm of emotions spread across the surface. Sometimes it's just a single color, layered again and again, until it becomes something alive. ArtStir is more than a painting tutorial. It's a meditative journey through movement, sound, and color. Every video invites you to slow down, to listen to the soft scrape of the knife, to the subtle blending of tones, to the rhythm of creation. The world outside can be loud and restless, but inside this space, time flows differently. Here, painting becomes a form of peace, a dialogue between you and your inner self. Whether you are an artist, a beginner, or simply someone who loves the beauty of texture, you are welcome here. Our goal is to inspire you to pick up the knife and start creating, to show that you don't need perfection to make art. All you need is curiosity, courage, and the joy of playing with color. In each episode, you will find techniques of palette knife blending and layering, tips for creating depth, highlights, and dynamic movement, step-by-step tutorials to build your confidence, and sometimes just the silent process of painting, where no words are needed. We believe that every artist paints not only with color, but also with emotion. The way you press the knife, the way you lift it, all tell something about who you are. That's why ArtStir celebrates imperfection, the raw texture of life itself. Because art, at its heart, is not about control, it's about expression. So, take a moment, breathe, watch the paint move. Let the colors mix freely. Listen to the rhythm of the palette knife as it shapes the story on canvas. This is the sound of creation, the heartbeat of art. Every painting here begins the same way, a blank surface full of possibility. And as the first color touches the canvas, a dialogue begins. You will see how chaos turns into harmony, how hesitation becomes confidence, how a simple motion can transform into beauty. By the end of each session, what was once a blank canvas becomes a reflection of emotion, a memory captured in pigment and light. It's not just a painting, it's a journey you've taken with your hands, your mind, and your heart. If you find peace in colors, if you love the feeling of creation, if you enjoy the silence between strokes, you will feel at home here. Welcome again to ArtStir, where colors shape the canvas and every layer tells a story. Subscribe, stay inspired, and let's paint this world together. One texture, one color, one breath at a time.